You ain't know a brother was magic, did you? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Invincible, here for the first time. It's been a long time coming, and for the first vid, I wanted to do something very special that I thought could help a lot of people. Are you a streamer that wants to spice up your stream but with some sound effects? Or are you an OG in the game that wants to do something special for your VIPs, mods, and whoever with intro sounds? If so, this is just the vid for you. Today we're gonna take a look back. We're gonna break the fourth wall, if you will, and I'm gonna teach you how to put sound effects on your stream. So, for this tutorial, you're gonna need two websites. You're gonna need Online Video Converter. You're gonna need mp3cut.net. A third one is up to your choice, whether it be your video site of your choice. For this one, I'm going to use Twitch, one of my clips from one of my streams. So, first, you have to get the link. With this, it's gonna be from the Yu-Gi-Oh stream I did. New York. So with that, we're gonna take this link, slide over to Online Video Converter, paste it, and then we're gonna choose MP3 format. The version takes no time at all. Then you're gonna download it. Now, once the download is done, you're gonna take that, go over to MP3 cut, and now you're gonna chop it down to just the portion that you need. Mine starts around the 9-second mark. Gonna move it around to demo it. New Year. Once you're comfortable with the portion that you have clipped, you're gonna use cut, save. It's gonna make an entirely new download file with just the portion that you need. Now, you're gonna go into your bot of choice. For me, I'm using Streamlabs chatbot. And for the intro sounds, what you're gonna do is go down to events. Now, I already have a couple, but for this, we're gonna make a new one. You have to use the username. For this, I'm just gonna do myself. Search, and then we're gonna go down and click pick to get the file. To preview it. New Year. And then you can also have a message that the bot will say whenever the sound plays. For me, I'm just gonna do a simple year. Hit submit. And now whenever I speak for the first time in my stream while the bot is on, that's gonna play. The message is gonna display, and it's all gravy. And you can also do the same thing for regular sound files. Plus, pick your sound. And then you're gonna flip this to automatically generate a command. You also have to name it. Just Europe. You can also have a response if you want. Not mandatory. Preview it. New Year. And submit. So now you're gonna go down, and that creates command exclamation mark year, and then the sound is gonna play. So yep, that was just a quick vid I wanted to do for all my peoples. I know that some people were having difficulties where they didn't know quite how to do it, and the other vids I saw didn't go quite as in depth with the actual links, which I will provide in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Empire. And if you would like to see me live on stream, I go live 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thank you for your time. Catch you on the wares, man.